Buying a home is a big investment, and it's important to make sure you're making the right choice. Here are 5 things you should always check before buying a home. Number 1, roof. A damaged roof can lead to costly repairs and potential safety hazards. Make sure you check out for leaks, missing shingles, or other signs of damages. 2, electric. Faulty wiring or outdated electrical systems can be a fire hazard. Check to see if the home's electrical system is up to code and functioning properly. 3, HVAC. A proper functioning heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is essential for comfort and safety. Check for any signs of wear and tear and make sure the system is running efficiently. 4, plumbing. A leaky or damaged plumbing system can cause extensive damage to a home. Look for any signs of leaks or water damage and make sure the plumbing system is in good working order. 5, foundation, which happens to be the last on my list. The foundation is the backbone of any home. Check for any cracks or signs of shifting, as these could indicate serious structural problems. To avoid collapsing of the property, as you can hear and see, a lot of properties collapsing here and there. It's a result of structural problem, like the foundation was not properly built, and probably the required materials for the foundation wasn't used. So to avoid all this, you have to be sure of the foundation. When you see cracks and signs of shifting, that's a big sign. So you avoid that property. By checking these 5 key areas before buying a home, you can help ensure that you're making a very smart investment that will serve you well for years to come. Make sure you always check these 5 things before buying a property. This will give you a clear understanding of the state of the property you are considering purchasing and also help you make informed decisions. This will also help you avoid very costly repairs down the line. And if you neglect all this, you will regret buying the property. Are you in the market to buy, sell, or invest? I would love to be your consultant. Hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel and you get these insightful videos coming your way. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it. Peace out.
Football, making money. There's somebody. He's sure for you. He's sure. probabafx shop for you. He's sure.